Introducing our Formula 18 Repair Oil, the secret weapon for healthier hair. What really sets our repair oil apart is the innovative Formula 18 plant-based reinforcement additive, which uses plant-based ingredients such as pea peptides, resurrection plant, and tamarind extract to rejoin the broken disulfide bonds in the hair. It penetrates each strand, adding strength and vitality. It's like a superfood for your hair, nourishing it from within. This non-greasy formula is ideal for all hair types. Smooth, seal, and transform your hair as it effortlessly reduces drying time and bids farewell to frizz. We recommend pouring a small amount into your hands and begin the application from the ends, working your way up towards the roots. It is very versatile and you can use it either on dry or damp hair. That's totally your call. Unlock the secret to manageable, radiant hair with Formula 18's Repair Oil.